It's a beautiful day today. Happy Sabbath, world. Blessings to everybody. Hope you're enjoying your day. It's very, very hot and humid in Bermuda. It's like, woo, woosha. But anyway, I'm just looking at some of the fish. You know, nature's candy. Nature's joys. Oh, that was a pretty blue one. You know, I probably can't see from her, but let me see if you can see a little bit of the fish. Not too sure if you can see, because some of them are light color. Hey, look. See that pretty one right there? I don't know if I got the white. Anyway, it's a beautiful day today. I love it. Give thanks to all the blessings, all the lessons, which are still blessings. And just enjoy life as best as you can where you're at with what you got. You know?